What is a mutation? A mutation is the change in the sequence of the DNA that I have drawn out here. So it'll just be a change in a singular nucleotide. For example, if we just change one of these nucleotides like this would be a mutation. So what are the different types of mutations that we have? One of the types that we have is a point mutation, which would be a change in just one of these nucleotides by base substitution. So that would mean that one nucleotide is replaced by another nucleotide. So that would be if this was just replaced by a different nucleotide, we would have a point mutation because it is a base substitution. So another type of mutation that we have is a frameshift mutation. And